Jackson is the world's greatest collector car auction, and Adams Polishes has been involved with them as the official detailer for a few years now. And listen, we are absolutely honored and thrilled to be a part of this. Now, what I want to do is give you a behind the scenes, behind the ropes look at our hardworking detailing team at Adams Polishes Associates and show you how they're helping sellers and buyers alike achieve the best finish on their vehicle.
You're on Dutch, these guys are starting on Showcase, then we'll go to the rest of the dailies, and then we'll get on all the goodies.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Scottsdale 2023. The automobile auction will start at 8:15. Thank you.
So cars get pretty dusty every day. I mean, we're in the Arizona desert and we got people coming in and out. So every day we have a list of cars that we do at least twice daily wipe downs on, making sure that they're looking great at any given time. We have to stay on top of that every day, and it's quite a long list of vehicles.
Hi, my name's Dan. I'm been with Adams Polishes for many years now. We're here at the Barrett Jackson auction. My main focus is scheduling and all of our details. So my day here doesn't start, when I arrive in this office trailer, or when we leave. We're receiving phone calls at 4 a.m. From all over the world, or as late as midnight. Throughout the day, I'm just answering 2 different phones, emails, website communications from customers, our customer service team, detailing at adamspolishes.com. We're scheduling 100+ cars a day, if not more. And then we have custom assessments. So if they don't meet any of the 3 packages, then we will dispatch a team once we get here. We'll send one of our lead detailers out to look at the vehicle. I'll tell Eric, hey, there's lot 1352.1 intent for stall D33, and he'll go and he'll look at that vehicle.
Will?
Yes.
I'm Eric with Adam.
Yeah. Hi.
Dan just gave me your information, said you had a couple concerns. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can see that.
All the way through the vinyl too, it looks like.
Well, this is all paint
Okay.
here, it's matte.
Okay.
So it looks like they dragged something across the top.
Like they had a cover on it at some point maybe, and there was something in the cover. Do you want us to address any of the other stuff? Because it looks like there's a little bit in the...
there's some in here.
Yeah, there's there, and then I saw you had some customers over here a minute ago, so I tried to give you a minute. I see a little bit on the front of the hood, but most of it seems to be here back and the tops of the fenders.
Yeah.
So the focus on the paint would be a light, which we normally just do 1 step, but since we're spot fixing stuff, I can do a 2nd step if necessary in that.
Okay. Yeah,
Probably looking at it later this afternoon, just because we've been pretty busy.
Yeah, I figured I saw you guys over there.
Man. But I think our light will take care of 80-90% of that stuff.
Okay.
And this is good information for you, and I'll have Dan call you.
Yep.
He'll get a credit card, and we'll get you on the schedule.
Okay.
Sounds good?
Sounds good.
All right, thanks, Will.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Nice.
Sir.
So then once the assessment's through and the payment's done, and now we have the vehicle, okay, we have a list of what we need to accomplish for the day, and we try to be as thorough as possible with that. Especially if a vehicle's selling early, they'll pull it from the tent and it'll go into the staging lanes. Once it's in the staging lanes, we can't touch it. So there's crunch time, where okay, we get a phone call and we need a car done and we have 20 minutes to go do a wipe down on it. Okay, get 4 people over there right now and take care of this vehicle, because that's the reality of it sometimes.
So just like Adam teaches you in the videos and you've learned from Adams over the years, our detailers, when they arrive at the vehicle, the first step that they do before they start actually polishing the whole car is they do a test spot. And they usually do a 2-foot by 2-foot test spot. And they'll either take our white pad and our white polish, our blue pad with our blue compound, and they'll do that spot and be like, is this the result I'm trying to achieve? And if I need to do more, hey, do I need to use microfiber on this car? Do I need to use a 1-step polish with 1-step pad? There's so many different variables, but to achieve it, you've got to do that test spot to find out, just like Adam's been teaching us forever. One of the coolest things here at Barrett Jackson is you have to be a great detailer and you have to use good products because we work on such a variety of paints work on a variety of panels. We work on lacquer, we work on single stage, we work on acrylic, we work on gel coat. We work on everything. We work on engine bays. We do everything from full polish and billet all the way down to chrome and painted and powder coated wheels. Any material you can imagine we run into here at the auction.
So we do anywhere from 10 to 15 cars, our team, every day. That's not including all of the daily wipe downs that we do on all of the cars in the showcases. We have to make sure those are totally dialed in at least 2 to 3 times a day. And then as far as putting a polisher through a car, we're doing 10 to 15 cars a day. So it is not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. It's a lot of work. We're the first ones here in the mornings and we're the last ones to leave. We're working 13, 14-hour days sometimes. So it's a lot of work, but it's rewarding and it's what I love doing, so it's worth it.
It's just it's a humbling experience to be here, you know, working on these amazing vehicles. You know, it's my childhood dream. You know, I used to watch these auctions with my dad, and now I'm here working the auctions. So it's a very cool experience, and we're honored to be part of that. It's pretty special, and we take that with, you know, the most respect possible.
We have the utmost gratitude for Barrett Jackson for letting us come and do what we do best. Our team is second to none. We have the task of making sure that everything that goes across that block is standing as tall as it can to hammer for the highest price possible, make sure our owners are happy, make sure everybody at Barrett Jackson is happy. That's really what we're tasked with at the end of the day, and our team does a phenomenal job of it.
There we go! You bought a great car, sir. You absolutely can't go wrong. That is money in the bank right there.